Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we discuss the high-impact news events that are coming our way very soon so we don't get caught off guard while we are trading. In today's video, we will be discussing the dates of September 13th through September 16th. That is Wednesday through Saturday. There's a lot, so let's go. With Wednesday, we will have news early on at 2 a.m. Eastern Time out of Europe, then at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time out of the US, and then a late release at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time out of Australia. As we work our way into Thursday, we'll find ourselves with news every 15 minutes from 8:15 to 8:45. So we've got 8:15, 8:30, and 8:45 out of both the US and Europe. And then on the opposite end of the day at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, we have a release coming at us out of China of high impact nature. Then as we work our way into Friday, we'll find ourselves with news at 8:30 and 10 a.m. respectively out of the US. And that does it. And then nothing going on Saturday, so we can cruise off on into a nice relaxing weekend. And I will see you in the next one.